Hello everyone. This message is for those who are going to write NEET PG exam after few days. Last few days, what you have to do, I have few suggestions for you. Number one, normalize your good night sleep of 6 to 7 hours. Try to sleep off by 11 o'clock or 12 o'clock at the max. Second, because summer is very hot and especially in the Delhi NCR area, and it's a temperature of 44 to 50 degrees Celsius is very dangerous. So avoid going outside in the daytime. Have lot of water, plenty of water, so that your hydration should be maintained, your blood circulation should be maintained, and you should be having a good feeling from inside also, right? And along with that, remember, maintain a light and healthier diet, because you have to sit down for longer hours and it may create problem if you are taking unhealthy or oily food at this moment. Third is academic related. I will advise you all that try to revise 5 years of the PYQs of the NEET PG exam, 3 years of the PYQ of the INICT exam. When you are revising your PYQ at this moment, you can do one thing. When you know the answer, you don't go back to the explanation. When you have some difficulty in the questions, then you go and see those points which are important, which are selectively important, which are related to the area where you are committing mistake, not entire explanation, right? Whatever tiny notes you have made, try to revise them. Don't listen to anyone and keep saying positive thing to yourself, because this is the most crucial time which is going to create a lot of difference in your exam. So this is the time where you have to keep your mindset very high, very strong, because I will tell you, this is the mind which is the most powerful thing in this world. If you say good things to your mind, it will happen good. Whatever has gone in the past, what was in the mock test, how you had performed in your MBBS is all immaterial. It will be only decided by those 3.5 hours which you are going to spend on the day of exam. So that is what I wanted to say that. And on the day of the exam, you should not be overconfident also, you should not be underconfident also. So this is what I wanted to say, that keep saying positive things to you, to yourself. And when you are going to bed, you keep on saying 10 to 15 times that I am going to do good, I am going to do well. And don't try to think that how much you are going to recall and you are missing so much of information. I'm telling you, this is the stressful situation. You cannot recall each and everything right now. Even Superman cannot, right? So that is what I wanted to say, that please don't think about that. Keep studying, keep moving on. Don't judge anything. This is not the time to judge yourself. Please remember, don't create any self-doubt in your mind. This is the time to keep your momentum up. Keep revising your notes, tiny notes, do MCQ, do PYQs, but don't recall now. This is not the time, right? You will be able to recall. I'm telling you, we have written so many exams, we have all gone through these phases. You also have gone through these phases during your MBBS exams also. So don't worry about that. Be confident, be satisfied, and the most important thing, in this last moment, you have to stay happy. When you will stay happy, then only your mind will be happy and your mind will become stronger. So keep saying good things to you. Pray to the God. God will bless you. And my prayer to the Lord Krishna is to all of you, for all of you, that you all should shine in your exam. You all should have a very good life in your, after the exam also. And this is what I wanted to say, that please don't give up. Stay in the present. Keep going on. Don't think about the past. I'm telling you again, you all are going to shine in your life and exam both. My best wishes to all of you.